Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best pizza ovens in 2023. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best pizza ovens. The 5th product on our list is Bertello Outdoor. Can't decide between a gas or wood-fired oven? The convertible Bertello Outdoor means you can have the best of both worlds. It even can use both fuels simultaneously. The Bertello is designed to mimic the superior airflow of a Tuscan-style barrel vault oven to create an attractive rolling flame to cook your pizza. In either form, this oven can produce the intense temperatures needed to turn out a Neapolitan-style pizza in less than 90 seconds. However, the accessory gas attachment certainly makes it more convenient to reach such temperatures. The Bertello is a relative newcomer to the scene, and as a result, has some flaws that seriously affect its control and ease of use. In its standard wood-fired format, it can be difficult, sometimes dangerously so, to control the blowback. When burning hot, it will literally shoot flames out of the back of the oven, making tasks like stoking the fire almost frightening. And although the standard Bertello oven is compact and easily stored, the gas attachment sticks precariously out of the back, making it both less reasonable to transport and more awkward to store. But to the benefit of those new to cooking with natural fuels, a wood fire can be backed up by the gas burners while you're learning the art of fire tending. Up next, in 4th place, is the Ooni Koda 12. If it weren't for Ooni, we might not be here at all. The company that first marketed the modern portable pizza oven continues to build on an esteemed reputation with their flagship model, the Ooni Koda 12. This elegantly designed stainless steel oven only weighs 20 pounds, earning top marks for portability. The efficiently engineered Koda 12 uses a rocket booster of a gas burner at the back of the oven to crank out Neapolitan-style pizzas in a matter of minutes, making it a great choice if you plan on baking rounds of pizzas for a party. And when it's all over, the oven's heat is all that's required to burn off any mess or residue, making cleanup a breeze. But just like a traditional oven, the Koda 12 requires some time and patience to learn how to operate. The reflective interior of the stainless steel frame is part of what makes this oven so efficient. Still, it can also quickly overcook pizzas, transforming them into a charred brick if you're not carefully monitoring the burner output. Although this oven is plenty insulated for quality cooking, it doesn't seem to carry as much thermal inertia as other ovens. But this is, first and foremost, a pizza oven. And with top-notch quality, performance, and portability, it's no wonder it's a popular option. The 3rd product on our list is the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo. The Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo is a marvel of engineering, clearly designed by a team dedicated to making the perfect pizza from the comfort of your own kitchen. It is the only electric option capable of achieving 700 Fahrenheit plus temperatures to replicate the magic of a traditional wood-fired oven. But unlike other ovens in this review, this versatile model isn't relegated to only baking Neapolitan-style pizzas. This smart oven uses a series of sensors to optimize oven conditions for some of your favorite pies, offering automated presets for various styles: Neapolitan, thin and crispy bar style, New York, and Chicago deep dish. The drawback is all of these attributes come at an exorbitant cost. Justifying the price is not easy, considering its relative cooking performance when directly compared to other models we tested. Without a doubt, the Smart Oven Pizzaiolo bakes a gorgeous pizza, but not one that is 2 to 3 times better to rationalize paying double or triple the price of other competitors. Considering the size and bulk, this well-insulated oven is the type of specialty appliance a pizza lover might design an entire kitchen around. For anyone looking to consistently churn out perfect pies with ease, this nearly automated smart oven is a technological innovation for the world of pizza making. The 2nd product on our list is the BakerStone Original. On the other side of the same coin, the BakerStone Original offers top-of-its-class performance at a fraction of the cost. It may not be as quick to cook as some direct competitors. Still, the temperature control and efficient airflow through this unique oven chamber remove much of the time pressure related to baking classic Neapolitan-style pizza. The oven box itself is removable and can transform into a grill or griddle, and you can use the oven box in conjunction with a full-size gas or charcoal grill to function as a makeshift pizza oven. Now that's multifunctional outdoor cooking. The BakerStone is versatile, but it's not the easiest oven to transport. Dismantling it into sections may help improve portability. However, we feel this bulky 48-pound oven is better off as the focal point of an outdoor kitchen than as a companion for car camping. It is capable of reaching the necessary temperatures to cook Neapolitan-style pizza, but the bulk and design of the firebox equate to a long preheating time. However, once it reaches the desired temperature, this price-pointed oven will bake just as well, if not better, than other top models on the market. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Gozney Roccbox. The Gozney Roccbox is a commercial-grade oven, just shrunken down to a more consumer-friendly size. It is the perfect portable representation of a true Neapolitan-style oven, effortlessly taking home our top award. Whether in its gas-powered or wood-burning form, this multi-fuel oven is engineered to recreate key characteristics of traditional ovens related to airflow, insulation, and output power. Aside from all of the accolades the Roccbox deserves in terms of cooking performance, the best part about this oven is that its ease of use is approachable for professionals and novice pizza makers alike. High-value products tend to come with a hefty price tag. The Roccbox is no exception. While the superb performance can justify the price, this pizza oven, including the gas and wood burners, is nearly double the cost of its direct competitors. Similarly, the oven itself is rather hefty. Despite its small footprint, this unit tips the scales at 44 pounds, easily making it one of the heaviest ovens in our lineup. That said, the heavy weight is due to unparalleled insulation, which drives the superior performance of the Roccbox, a portable pizza oven to make a pizzaiolo proud. That's all for our list of the 5 best pizza ovens on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.